Hey guys, it's Tiny Tom Logan back with another video for you, and I've got something for you especially for the weekend. Today we're going to be building a rig in a Cooler Master Storm Enforcer. Now we've basically got an i7 processor to go in, an Asus motherboard, an Asus DirectCU graphics card, 512GB Kingston V+100 solid state drive, and a Silent Pro Gold power supply. Now I'm just going to do a quick video and a good explanation about the parts, throwing the rig together, and yeah, it's basically just something a little special for you for the weekend, and it's just something that I'm going to be doing separate to the other videos that I've been doing recently. So basically straight away I'm going to get straight down in, and we can have a good look at all the parts that we're going to be using today. Right then guys, Cooler Master Storm Enforcer. It's a case that we've covered before, but it's not something that I've really built a massive system in or anything like that. So the first thing that we need to do is have a good look at the box. I just want to get a good feel for everything first, and then we can move on to the building. You can see the lovely Cooler Master Storm Enforcer design there on the box, yeah, let's take it out of the box. Now, here is our first look at the Cooler Master Storm Enforcer that we're going to be using today. As you can see, it's got the we've covered this all before, but it's obviously got the very kind of sturdy look and build to it. I've got the plain side panel on here at the moment, but quite cleverly it also comes with a separate window panel. Oh, there goes the front of the case, which is also removable, but also comes with a separate window panel that you can fit should you wish. Now, if we move the box out of the way, we've got the case, we've got a choice of two side panels. Now all we need to do is have a look at the hardware that we're going to be fitting today. Now I'm just going to grab all the parts. First up to take a look at is the Asus motherboard. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. There's the Asus motherboard that we're going to be using today. It's quite a new one out on the market, this. Probably not seen this around. And we've then also got the latest Core i7 Intel processor. To go with the i7 processor, we've then got two products from Kingston. We've got some Kingston DDR3 RAM. We've got two sticks of the Kingston DDR3 RAM, and as you can see, it's the model with the large cooling heat sinks. Then we've also got a Kingston 512GB V+100 solid state drive. To follow on with the Asus motherboard, then we've also got an Asus graphics card, and as you can see, it's the DirectCU 2 model, or it would do if you, there you go, it's the DirectCU 2 model. And then we're also going to be using the Silent Pro Gold 1200 watt Cooler Master power supply to power this monster rig, because let's face it, it's a fairly beefy rig. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you out again, and then I'll show you all of the components that we're going to be using. So we can see it all there, or we could do if I put it in the right place so you can actually see it. There we go, we can see all the components, but now it's time to actually build the rig. So what I'm going to do is take the side panel off of the case. Take the side panel off of the case, and I'm going to change the lighting and the orientation of the camera so that we can get this set up better for you guys. Right then guys and girls, first things first, so we need to fit the processor to the motherboard. Now when you do this, make sure you go careful, make sure you give the CPU a good clean first. Also take your time, you don't want to be bending any pins in the socket or anything like that. So take it a good amount of time and just slip it over your motherboard. You don't really need to give it a push, and just make sure it's all seated properly. Once you've done that, you can take your RAM and if you have a look at the slots, make sure the slots and everything are all lined up properly. Again, you don't want to be rushing this, you want to be taking your time. The RAM will need to be ever so slightly pushed into place. With the second stick of RAM, take care not to damage the first one. Give it a good push, and there you go. You've got your motherboard and your RAM set up with your CPU there, ready. And then all you need to do after that is fit your graphics card. Again, take your time, don't rush it. Make sure it's all sat in there properly. And there we go, we should have it. I'm just going to resync this again quickly. There we go. Motherboard, graphics card and RAM all fully fitted, all ready, lovely. Now what we need to do is fit this into the case, which takes a bit of lining up. You may need to play with the screws a little bit to get it in there ready. Now your solid state drive in the front, give it a bit of a push, all lovely jubbly. And then your power supply. I'm going to have the Cooler Master logo visible for mine today. If you just bear with me, I'm just going to do a bit of cable tidying. Right, I'm happy with this now. Look at the cable tidying on that. You'd never know, would you? Lovely. Now I think I'm going to use the clear side panel door for mine, because I really want to be able to see my hardware inside. So there we go guys. Very quick video for you for the weekend. I know we're getting a lot of glare, so I'm going to pop this, try and keep it to an angle for you so that you can see. Very quick build for you for the weekend. So here we've got i7 Intel CPU, Asus motherboard, Kingston RAM, Asus DirectCU graphics card, 512GB Kingston B+100 solid state drive, and a Cooler Master Silent Pro Gold 1200 watt power supply. Probably wasn't the video you were expecting from me today. There we go. How about that? Give you a good zoom in so you can actually see it again. As you can tell guys, this is a complete Mickey take, but it was a something that Cooler Master have sent me, and I thought I would do something a little bit funny for you all to watch. But this little baby is going to be on my desk, and I've got to say this is probably one of the first gifts that I've got from a retailer like this that I have properly liked. It's where it's miniature, it's brilliant. This is going to be going on my desk, and it will be bringing a smile to my face. I hope the video puts a smile on your face as well. But a big thumbs up for Cooler Master for this, because something like that is very, very unique, and I'm mightily impressed. So a big thumbs up to Cooler Master. I hope all of you guys in YouTube land will enjoy this video as much as I'm going to enjoy this little promotional product. Anyway, with a bit of a, well, not a bit of a, but a big different video for you guys. This is Tiny Tom Logan out. One thing I must say, by the way, guys and girls, I forgot to say this before, so I've still not technically gone yet, I got the idea for this from a lad called Adam, or Fez as he's known online, that works at Cooler Master, because Cooler Master sent him one, and then it got arranged for me to get one as well. And it was Cooler Master that it's Fez that gave me the idea for building this and making a slightly different video. So all credit goes to Cooler Master Fez. Yeah, but anyway, Tiny Tom Logan out.